Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes at a meat factory? From massive production lines to the mysterious cans of Spam you find on supermarket shelves, there's a fascinating process at play. Let's uncover how millions of these canned meats are made, step by step. Spam and its popularity worldwide. Spam, the canned meat product, has become an iconic food item that transcends generations and cultures. Originally created in 1937 by the Hormel Foods Corporation, Spam has grown into a beloved staple in many households, especially in the United States, South Korea, and Hawaii. With its shelf-stable nature and long-lasting freshness, it has earned a reputation for being a convenient, low-cost, and reliable protein source. Despite initial skepticism about its taste and quality, Spam has found a dedicated following across the globe, largely due to its versatility and availability. Over the years, variations like Spam Light, Spam with bacon, and Spam with less sodium have emerged, catering to a wider range of dietary preferences. Its popularity surged during World War II when it was distributed to military troops and became a necessary food item due to rationing and food shortages. Today, Spam is used in various dishes like Spam musubi in Hawaii, stir-fries in South Korea, and sandwiches in the US. Whether it's a quick snack, part of a meal, or a cultural delicacy, Spam has stood the test of time. The widespread appeal of Spam highlights its practicality, and its production process has evolved to keep up with global demand. Spam's rise to fame is a testament to how a simple canned food product can grow into a global phenomenon. From being a wartime necessity to becoming a sought-after comfort food, Spam represents a unique blend of tradition, innovation, and widespread influence. The production of millions of Spam cans every year reflects the growing demand for affordable and accessible protein sources in an increasingly fast-paced world. The ingredients that make up Spam canned meat. Spam's ingredient list is relatively simple, yet the exact combination of meats and seasonings is what makes it unique. The base of Spam consists of just 6 main ingredients: pork with ham, salt, water, modified potato starch, sugar, and sodium nitrite. The pork used in Spam comes from select cuts of meat, often from the shoulder, which is blended with ham to create the product's signature taste and texture. The use of ham enhances the flavor and makes Spam more savory, contributing to its distinct taste. The potato starch in Spam serves as a binding agent, helping to maintain the meat's texture and prevent it from breaking apart during the production process. Sugar, while minimal, plays a subtle role in balancing the flavors and enhancing the overall taste. Sodium nitrite is added as a preservative, keeping the meat from spoiling and giving it a characteristic pink color. This ingredient helps to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and ensures that the product remains safe to eat for an extended period. Though the ingredients are straightforward, the specific proportions of each are crucial to ensuring consistency across every can of Spam produced. The production process is designed to maintain the same flavor profile and texture in every batch, allowing consumers to enjoy a familiar experience each time they open a can. Additionally, Hormel Foods ensures that the sourcing of ingredients is done in an ethical and responsible manner, meeting both food safety standards and consumer expectations for quality. The meat processing journey. From raw to ready. The process of turning raw pork and ham into the finished product begins with the selection and preparation of the meat. Hormel Foods works with suppliers to source high-quality pork, ensuring that it meets strict standards for safety, texture, and flavor. The meat is then delivered to the factory, where it undergoes an initial inspection to ensure it is free from contaminants and other imperfections. Once approved, the pork and ham are ground into a coarse mixture, breaking down the meat into smaller particles for a smooth, uniform texture. After grinding, the meat mixture is blended with other ingredients, such as the starch, sugar, and salt. This step is crucial, as it ensures that all the ingredients are evenly distributed, creating the consistent taste and texture that Spam is known for. The mixture is then carefully cooked in large industrial cookers, where it undergoes a heat treatment process that not only helps to cook the meat, but also improves its flavor and ensures its safety for consumption. This step is essential for eliminating bacteria and other pathogens, making the product safe for long-term storage. Next, the meat mixture is transferred to a specialized filling machine, which portions the Spam into cans. The machines are highly efficient, ensuring that each can is filled with the precise amount of meat. The cans are then sealed tightly to prevent any contamination during the subsequent stages of the production process. Once sealed, the cans are placed in large autoclaves, where they undergo a high-temperature sterilization process that further preserves the meat and ensures it has a long shelf life. This step is critical for ensuring that SPAM can be safely stored for months or even years without refrigeration. The entire meat processing journey is designed to produce a safe, consistent, and high-quality product every time. From sourcing the meat to the final sterilization, each step is carefully monitored to ensure the integrity of the product. The factory's operations rely heavily on automation and precise machinery, which allows for the mass production of SPAM at a scale that would be impossible to achieve manually. Through this intricate process, millions of cans of SPAM are produced each year, providing a reliable source of protein to consumers around the world. Canning process. Sealing meat for long-lasting freshness. Once the SPAM mixture has been cooked and prepared, the next critical step is the canning process. This is where the product is sealed in cans to ensure its long shelf life and safety for consumption. The cans used for SPAM are typically made of steel, chosen for its durability and ability to withstand the high-pressure conditions in which the cans will be sterilized. The canning line operates with great precision, with machines automatically placing the meat mixture into cans, ensuring the proper amount of product is in each can. After the cans are filled, the next crucial step is sealing. The lids are tightly fitted onto the cans using a process called double seaming, which ensures the cans are securely sealed and free from any leaks. This process is vital for keeping the product fresh and preventing contamination from the environment. Once sealed, the cans are labeled with essential information, including the production date, best buy date, and product details. This labeling helps ensure traceability and allows consumers to know exactly when the product was made. Once the cans are sealed, they are transferred to a sterilization chamber, where they undergo a high-pressure cooking process in large autoclaves. The autoclaves apply both heat and pressure to kill any remaining bacteria or microorganisms that could cause the product to spoil. This step is essential for preserving the meat and ensuring it can be safely stored at room temperature. The high-pressure cooking also helps to lock in the flavors and maintain the texture of the SPAM, giving it the unique taste that has made it so popular. Quality control. Ensuring consistency and safety. Quality control is a critical part of the SPAM production process, ensuring that each can of SPAM that leaves the factory meets the highest standards of taste, texture, and safety. Hormel Foods employs a multi-tiered approach to quality control, which begins with inspecting raw materials and continues all the way through the final product. As soon as the pork and ham arrive at the factory, they are inspected for freshness and quality. This step helps to eliminate any subpar or potentially harmful ingredients before they even enter the production line. All meat undergoes thorough testing for contaminants, such as bacteria and pathogens, ensuring that only the safest cuts make it into the final product. During production, automated systems and human inspectors continuously monitor the meat mixture, checking for consistency in texture, color, and moisture content. Samples from each batch are taken and sent to the in-house laboratory, where they undergo rigorous testing for flavor and safety. This ensures that every can of SPAM has the same delicious flavor profile and meets the brand's safety standards. Furthermore, the factory maintains stringent hygiene protocols to prevent contamination at any stage of the process. Workers are required to follow strict sanitary procedures, such as wearing gloves and protective clothing, and the factory undergoes regular deep cleaning to maintain a clean environment. To ensure the meat is cooked to perfection, the temperature and cooking time in the sterilization process are carefully controlled. Any deviation from the prescribed parameters can affect both the safety and the taste of the SPAM. The autoclaves that sterilize the cans are equipped with advanced monitoring systems that track the temperature and pressure, ensuring that the process is carried out efficiently and correctly. This level of precision minimizes any risk of undercooking or overcooking, ensuring that the product is safe to eat and retains its intended texture. Finally, during the final inspection stage, each can is checked for defects, such as dents or rust, and for proper sealing. A seal that is not tightly fitted could compromise the product's safety, leading to potential spoilage. Only cans that pass these rigorous tests are approved for packaging and distribution. Automation and technology in SPAM production. SPAM production is a highly automated process with advanced technology playing a crucial role in ensuring efficiency and consistency across millions of cans produced each year. The factory employs cutting-edge machinery to handle everything from meat grinding to can filling and sterilization. Automation not only speeds up the production process, but also minimizes human error, which is vital when producing such large quantities of food. In fact, the automation of SPAM production allows the factory to produce millions of cans in a relatively short time, meeting the high global demand for the product, packaging, distribution, and SPAM's global reach. Once the cans of SPAM are sealed and cooled, the next step is packaging and distribution, which plays a pivotal role in getting the product to consumers around the globe. The cans are first labeled with product information, including expiration dates, ingredients, and nutritional details, to comply with regulatory standards and to inform consumers about the contents of the product. After labeling, the cans are carefully packed into boxes or other packaging formats designed for easy shipping and handling. The packaging ensures that the cans are protected during transportation, reducing the risk of damage or contamination. The distribution process involves a well-coordinated network that ensures SPAM reaches global markets. After leaving the factory, SPAM is shipped to various distributors, supermarkets, and retailers across the world. Hormel Foods has a robust logistics system in place, relying on both national and international transportation channels to deliver SPAM to diverse regions. This system includes freight shipping, air transport, and even refrigerated trucks for specific markets that require temperature-sensitive distribution. The product is designed to be shelf-stable, so it doesn't require refrigeration until opened, which makes it ideal for long-distance transport and storage in stores. SPAM's global reach is a testament to its enduring popularity and adaptability. Beyond the United States, where it remains a household staple, SPAM has found significant markets in countries like South Korea, Japan, and the Philippines, where it has become integrated into local cuisines. In Hawaii, SPAM is a beloved food item, with SPAM musubi, a sushi-like dish featuring a slice of SPAM on rice wrapped in seaweed, being particularly popular. In South Korea, SPAM is considered a premium gift item during holidays and is often given as a token of respect or appreciation. The widespread availability of SPAM in so many countries is the result of careful market research and a willingness to adapt the product to suit the tastes of different regions. Hormel Foods continues to explore new markets and create variations of SPAM to appeal to changing consumer preferences. For example, lower sodium and leaner versions of SPAM are available to cater to health-conscious consumers. Through strategic marketing and a focus on quality, SPAM has become an international food sensation, enjoyed by millions around the world, and its production continues to evolve with the demands of a globalized market. If you found this look into how millions of SPAM canned meats are produced fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours. Have you ever wondered how other foods are made? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and we'll dive into it next time.